perched on a fallen branch just inches above the water. A colorful assassin is waiting for the perfect moment. This is the green heron, one of the most intelligent fishers in the Florida wetlands. Unlike larger birds that chase their prey, this small heron relies on absolute stillness and a low profile to remain invisible. Watch as it carefully transitions from its wooden perch into the shallow water. Every step is a calculated move, designed to prevent even the slightest ripple that might alert a fish below. Its neck remains retracted, ready to explode forward like a harpoon in a fraction of a second. This is a masterclass in patience and precision. Stay with us as we track this tiny titan of the marsh. This is wild Florida.